I wouldn't recommend these glasses. I would recommend these glasses. So last time I got a lot of shit for reviewing these glasses, the Horus X gaming glasses, the Bluelight glasses.
LOL. Years of research and this scientist discovers these glasses are fake. Really, bro?
But that doesn't matter. It doesn't stop me. And yeah, I'm just here to help you make the best choice when buying stuff online. And that's why I wouldn't recommend these glasses. I would recommend these glasses, which is basically the same type of glasses, but a generic brand. And as you can see, they are literally the same. The Horus X glasses are gonna cost you $40 and the generic brand is gonna cost you $20. So why not save yourself $20? So let's get into the review. It's just a hard cover box. These are the glasses in this plastic thing. Let's pull them out. Okay, as we see, glasses. And then inside the box, we have a little pouch for the glasses. And then we also have cleaning cloth for the lenses. And then we also have some directions, or it shows you like a chart of how much light they actually block. And then that's all that's in the box. Now the glasses themselves, you can see that the material is just a hard plastic and they're branded on both sides. Okay, inside it tells you that they are made in China, of course. And then it says gaming technologies on this other side here. Okay. And so now with the lenses, you can see that the lenses are amber colored and they are reflecting a little bit of blue light. You can see the blue tint, which means that they are blocking some blue light. And the lenses are obviously plastic. Also, these are not the highest quality glasses, but they're good and they are quite comfortable. I think if you wear them for a long time, maybe you're gonna get some pain right here, a little bit above the ears, especially if you have a bigger head. And for me, I know that when I wear these, they kind of tend to squeeze my head a little bit. But in general, they are comfortable. And also, you know, they don't look like some weird type of glasses. They're kind of between normal glasses and gaming glasses. So you could technically wear them in a cafe or, you know, if you're working somewhere out of the house. But mostly you'd be wearing them in the house in the evening time. Okay, so these are the Horus X glasses, which cost about $36 on Amazon. And now the alternative are these. Okay, so you're probably gonna be like, what? Like, those are the same glasses, bro. Like, what are you doing? But actually, these are a little bit different. These seem like they block more blue light because there is a more intense blue reflection. If you compare them, I'll show you in a little bit. And they fit exactly the same like the Horus X glasses. They have almost exactly the same tint. You know, they are just not branded. I mean, the brand here, it says Titan. So it's just probably a different brand. So you can see that they are almost identical. Yeah, they are almost identical. I mean, they block almost the same amount of blue light because you can see that in the reflection. But if you actually look at these a little bit more closely, the generic ones, you'll see that they have more of the reflection of the blue light, which probably means that they block more of the blue light. So if you are gonna buy some blue light glasses, I would definitely recommend going with the generic brand because you're gonna save yourself $20. You can find these glasses in the description below. There's an affiliate link if you want to help support the channel, or you can just search them up. I will put the name up here. So yeah, save yourself 20 bucks. Don't buy the Horus X glasses. Again, this is just a drop shipping brand and they just want to make a little bit of extra money from you. And if you actually want to buy some proper blue light glasses, then I would recommend watching this guy's video because he's an eye doctor and he does a bunch of research about this stuff. So I would just go with his recommendations. Okay, so this is Horus X. This is with the glasses, this is without the glasses. With the glasses, without the glasses, with the glasses, without the glasses. Okay, now we have the generic brand. So this is with the glasses. without the glasses, with the glasses, without the glasses, with the glasses.